Hi, I'm Duvish, and this is Dylan.
Hi.
What?
Hi.
Why? Why are you saying hi today? Say cuz.
And where's Steve's Xbox? It's right here.
Righty. See, don't stand on this. Why? See, why'd you stand on there then? See, this was open. No, not your brother. Get on video. Alright. Now this is my powerfulest Xbox 360 ever. So yeah.
Yeah.
Come on. Are you ready to come back on video? Are you okay?
Yeah.
So I think I'm walking.
I think I'm walking.
Alright. So first thing you do.
First thing you do
is take out the hard drive.
Take out the hard drive.
Say duvish.
Duvish.
Can you please take out the hard drive?
Can you please take out the hard drive?
Off the Xbox 360.
Off the Xbox 360.
Sure. Thanks. I'd be happy to.
Okay.
Say here's Duvish's hard drive.
Here's Duvish's hard drive.
Say,
and now.
Now what?
And now take out this.
Take off the base plate.
Take out the base plate.
Don't hit the base plate. Okay?
Okay.
Say Duvish. Say Duvish, can you please take off the base plate?
Just gonna take the base plate.
What?
Can you please take out the base plate?
Sure.
Yes.
Sure, I'd be happy to.
I'm gonna be happy.
Hey, Master,
what?
I think the thing's stuck.
The thing is stuck?
I'll try my best.
Here you go.
Thanks. I think the spring's missing. That's why the thing got out of control. Ever since. This is how it looks with the base plate off. Clap, Dylan. Clap. Dylan, clap. Clap more. 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 Clap more. Clap for a long time. Say put the faceplate back on. Say put the faceplate back on. Quiet or loud? No, say it loud. So
put the faceplate back on.
Alright. Say, can you put the faceplate back on?
Can you put the faceplate back on?
Sure. No, I'm good. But I'd be happy to. Hey, alright. This is how it's go. Look, Dylan, when I put the faceplate back on, you better clap, okay?
Right.
Alright, let's take the hold the faceplate. Dylan! When I put the faceplate back on, you clap, okay?
Okay.
Alright. Dylan! Play with the sharpener or clap when I put the faceplate back on. Let's go playing! Alright, the faceplate's back on, clap. Clap! See, that's the video.
That's the video
of the Xbox 360.
The Xbox 360.
Mom! Oh, now you're gonna unpublish my video again! Get out! Now you're gonna unpublish my video!
Huh?
You're gonna unpublish my video again!
Are you done now?